Heidi-ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again with another in my series of cheapskate tips. And in this case, it's how to get a container, a liquid storage container, that's way better than what you're seeing here, which is a Rubbermaid Serve and Saver 1 pint container. And what I don't like about this is like this right here. That pops open really easy. It's popped open a couple times in my lunchbox when I'm taking like milk to use in coffee because, well, I hate using creamer, powdered or liquid, like real milk fat, that kind of stuff in my coffee. And this container costs about $4, and it's only good for if you're sitting in the refrigerator. You're carrying it around someplace, it can pop open and leak or dump everything out. But I'm going to show you something that's just as good or better, even though it's a little bit smaller, but you get it basically for free. Can't be much more of a cheapskate than that. What you see here costs $4 also. It's 4 little bottles of apple juice, and it costs $4. And these bottles are glass bottles. Now, they're not pint size. There is a little difference here. They're 10-ounce bottles. So, but for $4, you get some apple juice, and then you get 4 little glass bottles that you get to keep. And this is how I use them. Oops. Here we go. This is, like I was mentioning before, this is some whole milk I put in here and brought to work to use for my coffee. And it doesn't leak. And I mean, of course, I guess it's glass. You can break it, but it's glass. It's also nice. Nice little bottle, 10 ounces. And like I said, basically got it for free. Now, and one little tip, final tip I'll give you at the end here. The cap here comes off. Now, after you use it a bunch of times, this is a metal cap. You see these little pieces here where it's kind of bent over at the edge? That's actually what, tightens on to the threads. After you use it a bunch, especially if you tighten it down real tight, those can kind of get bent and maybe not tighten it up and seal it. All you need to do is take like a pair of needle nose pliers or just a small pair of pliers and bend it back down in a little bit, and it'll seal up just as tight as it was when it was new. And I've done that before. Anyway, there's your cheapskate tip for today. God bless you all. See you next time.